Hi friends, it's been a while since I've done a video. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how I tame my crazy hair. I do get a lot of compliments on my hair, but I do not wash it every day. I wake up and most days this is what it looks like. It's not very pretty. So I can usually fix it in about 10 or so minutes. What you need is a brush, dry shampoo. I'm trying a different dry shampoo today. I'm using the Monat Champ conditioning dry shampoo. So yeah, I'm using that, and then also a curling iron and a straightener. You don't have to use the curling iron and the straightener, but if you have some like crazy like waves, I'll use the straightener like at my roots to straighten it out and then put the curls in. So I'm just gonna brush through this and see how bad the damage is. Also, I just got a new phone, so I'm hoping the quality is a lot better on this video than my other videos. So let me know your thoughts. So here's brush. You can tell I definitely have some oil at my roots. So same with all dry shampoos. You can do this with any dry shampoo. I usually use the Batiste, but my friend Katie sent me this Monat Dry Shampoo, so I'm trying it out. You just want to shake it really, really well. Okay. So then you're just going to spray it at your roots. Kind of keep shaking it. This specific dry shampoo says to let it sit for about a minute before you run your fingers through it. So I'll give it just a minute. And then I just tend to put my dry shampoo everywhere on my hair where you can see like spots that are greasy. Okay. So at this point, you can either start curling your hair, or if you want to, you can even run the hair dryer through your hair just to kind of give you a little bit more volume and get the dry shampoo in just a little more. I'm actually going to use just a little more. So I really like this dry shampoo. It's really light, but the only thing is I feel like I use so much dry shampoo, I'm worried I will go through the can pretty quick. Okay, that's a lot better. So I'm gonna start with my flat iron, and like I said, you can skip this step. I just have some like bumps in here that I'm gonna try to fix. So I'm gonna straighten, but I'm only gonna straighten at my roots. So see how I'm just kind of straightening out the kinks, not going anywhere near the ends of my hair. And I actually just started doing this recently, adding the straightener in. Okay. All right, so I've got my dry shampoo in, and my roots are pretty straight. I might have to add just a little bit more dry shampoo right there when I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some curls in. I am using my Beach Waver S1. This is the curling iron that I normally use, but you can do this with any curling iron. And I'm just gonna do big sections because I'm in a hurry. This is what I do when I'm just trying to get ready before work in the morning. So if you're trying to like take your time, you can always do smaller sections. And I don't like to curl the ends of my hair, so I leave those out. Oop. Alright, so I'm done with that side. Depending on how tangly your hair is, you can brush each section before you curl it. I do or don't, just depending on how much of a hurry I'm in. Just kind of hold each section for about 10 seconds or so. Just kind of slowly let it out. There we go. If you want to see how I curl my hair with a regular curling iron, I do have a tutorial on my IGTV and also my YouTube channel. I believe it's called How to Curl Your Hair with a Curling Iron. It's a very similar technique. I start up closer to my root and always try to leave the ends out. Also, there's no good lighting in our house. There's one reason why I don't make a whole lot of movies. So, our videos, so I am actually sitting in front of a window right now. Just saw my husband pull up too, so I'm hoping I can finish this before he comes in the door. All right, so at this point, if you want to, you can go ahead and put some hairspray in it. I'm just gonna kind of run my fingers through it to loosen it up. All right. I don't think I need any more dry shampoo. I could potentially put one more curl right here, but I have the feeling Daniel's about to walk in the door, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. But that's it. That took me 7.5 minutes to go from crazy hair to these pretty waves. If you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.